It's a beautiful day here in Westbrook, Connecticut today, and we have a new arrival from the Boston Whaler factory. This is an all-new Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. This thing is loaded. All the frills that you could need on this thing, it has it. Starting up here in the dash, we have the Simrad with the fish finder, the JL audio stereo. We have the Simrad VHF. We have the USB port and the 12-volt port. Moving back, we have the upgraded Mercury 150. We have the jump seats in the back. We also have the tow arch. We also have the nice large leaning post with the storage. Moving forward, as you can see, we have the teak package on this specific model. We have the nice big bimini. We also have the fishing package. That includes this nice large cooler with the cushion and the backrest and the rod holders. And then we have the two-piece bow cushion, which luckily gives you a nice large fish locker here, and then the anchor locker up forward. This unit also has the complete rail set with the high bow rails with the split and the high aft rails. This boat also does come with a trailer. But thank you for walking through the 190 Montauk with me today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call us anytime. See you out in the water.